courtship no enso ya shonko na o kama yeti ase se oni obe courtship ha se oye Kristo ni bai eni kwan se woni be oba no woni oba ne da na be ma no woni oba ne da na oba no koma ho kwan e ma be ma no ene woda ho na ye wie ye anti perfect me ma wakwa
ya minia
se ma kakakra na mpacho betimi a kire yetiefo nipa ni ndi nkomo
Meda wase me monyo ko party phone na aha good afternoon to our cherished listeners. Say you are tuned in to Onyokopa. Edia mejeso ene Councillor Perfect but media ankasa ne Perfect elom kuma odro ne amekunu din intimacy odro for short but mostly na your friend Councillor Perfect me training na me sanso ya me business dia me bi keka ho
Anti Perfect era since na nyina no so you training now say counselor na just say Perfect so your training or say entrepreneur na say oba o chade o say edidwa esa ka ho bi ani djumedia odi anti perfect akwa babiem
yeah papa
na last week you know baby ye kakodu ye mabo enema no ho tofa kakra a kire etiefo ye kakodu say ana wetimi abo the last week ye no tofa kakra na fe ye de we no atwaso
last week you know ye hu say obo ho akwa aware mu a enyama bebre owo echesa we matured both mentally and physically. You should be matured answer aware so ne kwan wa nti enkoso nhwe ensa so ensa yechi nti echesa wo bo ho sa wo kɔ no enya de a wo be free mu aba na ye kan ma ni kosi dating ne courtship so e ho na edi wie ye no nti ehun say dating no nko courtship no so nko bempem bebre no eya ye futu fra wo bi so bi o say me dating no na so ne am ye ne nche dating nti ho na edi du ya sorry so
me that say na ye person differentiate ye starting fees are point na last week we ye no say ka say dating na e de hen and a courtship no e de hen
me da wano ase say ka dating na say last week ye kire mu no dating ni ye say mehu me no afadanfo inti me na wo mitrim me be ma no me oba no e na wo mitrim say adanfo na ya afa no me pese me hwe say metimi ene wo esua wakwa echi a be courtship ana inti dating no mafo adanfo ye pie sa sorry na ye wa ye ba sorry no ma bet na wo nche mi no adidi nkomo inti dating nsem a obi sa no wo hwe say nipa kon no do you click my dream to me call Bencro. Send your pawn yaman san or pay. It's a same bisan Yaman kitty be. Are you attracted to that person? It's all to me one and only na will be proceed courtship no. It's the way you are dating somebody no. You don't tell the person I love you. There be I love you be we are just friends. Me ne wo me trim say me hwe say metimi akwotewa internally and see obi ape we are just friends but with an intention of moving it further.
Okay, like I said, we dating no yes obi ape
there be
yes steady am ye hwe me hu me pawasam de ba pese me hwe into my line and I me pese me pe no enu bi no wana but because sometimes no utimi hu obi afa na wa penasem but most of the time no obetwa ben na ade na hu ni fa na ka so pe no oben wo no yesonko na just into oben wa no hu sampa we go ahead na me nkasa be pe no anasa me pe no and a courtship no so any day
into ye ka courtship na me date you see me hu say eniama bi no we are physically attracted our no if the physical attraction ni wa ain't me continue for long. Inti I'm attracted to your appearance. When nimbi wa hu siesie bi no wo kasa boko bi no eno na achi me aben inti me chi me ben na me sanso no wodi nkomo no me hu say eh da achi no wo pese wo ye sei wonya me sum sei na wo pese na wo pefie no sa na me so me pe no ende ra abrantie ende ye menya anka pese ye sua ye ho na ye hwe se da achi ye betimi atena inti courtship ne ye sua ye ho se ye betimi atena inti courtship no mu ne de no nipa ba ko pe na won ne courte but dating there utimi dating nipa bebre because na fofa you must date a lot so that they can choose just the right person. Yes, say we call job bebre and nearby. It is when they see bebre now yeah no kofa ba ko person me call to straight to courtship and one that we don't say yeah and we pan and you so you must date a lot so that you can choose the right person to court.
Okay, me that's it. But answer na me ba whenever you hire your boy tonight on 1 FM so and I would say which matter one na be po ha won yira adia edwumede edu so me fe na disua na ye ka eniema pia se wo ye oba onware ye wo ye bema onware ye emfonso nkitinkiti dia ya etaye a echiri no edi oha brain ye di hu nkomo na se na ema kan so wa adwentre bi ana wo suggestion bi wo question bi a obetimi a WhatsApp yen na sa contribution a obetimi a WhatsApp 0200 81 8081 0200 81 8081 Every no so I give phone lines not to na yafa afrefo na most more the adventure aba. That's perfect. Now send na we can last week can be you can say most of the time no e mema no omo physical appearance obi kaka collar shape obi age shape and or dey e copy oba no dey no kwaware but sisi a na yaka concept no also tribe oba na e also want to be attractive and unti sa question no maybe say me bisa say we don't only see inner beauty, but you have physical beauty to come.
One say, before so be better than a physical appearance, no na. Be one on Kasai. Who subain into physical appearance on a betchino, a ben papro. Intel I say, your banner, just one who says, no, what to mention ye. Se no si fa siesie ho yen ka sa roro ho for no fufu gwa bonten fa onan kokom na wo to jeja wo page fegu ho nanso no wo yo ba wunya ware ne de once I say na yakodwem no obi e ton na de nti wo yo ba na wo ware ye no so no wo so wo ton wa de say wo benya suitable partner abeka ho it is how you carry yourself no and obi ba ka say ye we de me pe we into no ba be hu how you present yourself it dey be our dress come neat presentable we suje ni anya say dey go ahyeche ndare wo yo kama be ma ni boss wa na ache no it e che ne sa no na afa die ni wo hu suban ye wo mu say hey na no ka say do o ka sa me pa chow me pa chow thank you or brand once the no sifa kase kwa cheso obuade and the mama sanso nsuan the more it's no na ebe develop ya courtship no it is the appearance first before the character because nobody wears the character me na who me character is the appearance that will attract you before you come and know the character.
Beautiful, thank you. Natural say beauty no beauty the near one thing or physical appearance no ebe attracting people first and so na ye hu ne wo mu because say wo na ma o papa ya wo ya na say unya besuma wo mu ene wanam bi utu a efe no say be embo wo so e wo say ye hu aho ofe no na ye twebe wo ye wi ye hu ne wo mu no ansa empepe mistake ya ye say enkrofo e ka say na me I have inner beauty and ya me ni buade na say no we don't see that one no, say and then counselor say ye hu eno ansa na ye be hu eno na che say bibi hu attract ye and sana ya tria be wan sana ye hu ne wo wu no enti bia be sisi wo hu nyesa bia wo yi hu ato abonten ne mo be sisi wo kama na ya empenyfo se ana se grofo bi ko wan se beauty lie in the eyes of the beholder enti nipa na wo hu a wo pe wo no obehe wa hu ofei na wo di kan tria be wan sana be foforo bi o ho ye dey ato aso but as na say difference e wo courtship ene dey order na di ene nie me bi a wo ye say ene a wo pa ansa na wo pa animu akoyi wani maka se ni passwords me pe aha na unya peni bia ofi one na tena se akese nie me bi a wo ye no ene wo de ene ye pair na afi woni na tu ana mo se mo kwa akware me da se yo go by 9.1 FM so ena wasugu so awutie edisuamre and for so ben na singles yetimi ye abro aye kwa ware mu foforo no e den na betin ya ye de sia no kwan e ne ye di hu enkomo na anti perfect ya ka na ye si ni saa no ene se ne wa ka hwa me se e wo se ye hu physical beauty ye hu inside ye date and sana ye courtship no ye courtship e na wo hu me woni ni afa damfo akodumra o ha wani gime ho enema bi be very compatible with your own nti betimi etu anamo be ma no wanante emra ben so ana obehye be ma ne se be ma awo se me no wanante rekaka awo se me hu fie eni obusufo emra ben time frame be from Thursday na ye hu se ye court ye ho kopim emra ben na be busasa
once no emra mentimi ka se na wotwe mienu anase bosome baako anase afi baako enjina mu mienu no so once a bebre na ye kan cry ha dia na chese bebre na fi baby na aba ye na ya besu ya ha se ye adwuma ba se wo ni pakro na mehu ya date sisi ya start courtship ne se pese misuan na ye de kwa warem na misuan kwa ware no yeso ye nim se ye ware ni pa baako ye ware busuan ya ware busuan san so ware na fofo de ka ho na fofo so wo se ye wa warem ebusuan fo wo se ye wa warem eto brebia na fo wo se enti si ano
perfect me ba enam fofo e wo se wa warem ni san ho
ne say won say asem to wa sisi aya ben kra he na be bo sisi wo he woni onam fofo ana so onam fonom na wa ha bibia si a omo na be din kan ya sor wo ho ansa ya bo ogusuan fo amane say na esi o na momra bo ho kire wa obetimi akọ ho say oh we de minua wo ma me kakran fandan den da me ho wadamfo no so nimu so ban se na sifatie nti obi kwa woni ni to anamo no so wo so oba we de se no sifa use sike no so bi na obotomi de emboa nti a chese wo immediate friends and families no you must introduce your partner to them say we na menene kono enti mo year say mutu anamo na chese you have to introduce because you see anu person wusua no enti say 1 week na ma start here introduce the person because we introduce the papon the man family no and the man friends no omo go out to investigate once a courtship is the time we are going to investigate it just say we nya bre na utumi ni hwehwe ni papon no ni su ne ban mu ne yemu say obetimi enemy abobra obra kwantu e ode ne ho ba beka me hu ye betimi abobra na akwachi na se wantimi ahwehwe mi ye a enfo nkode tinti san kofo na ebebo wo nkwa wantimi nye nti obusuanfo bebe mak say oh oba we ye busuom de se ni ye mpe ahwe kwanpo ne papon ne bo nton baako ahwe kwanpo na ye wo fe bi reading sensem bi nti wo de ne kofie ntama na ebe kire ose da bi se ni ye mpe na wantimi ejai wo hwa se wunja so na obeto asoso ende na wo wasama sadanfo so ananfo so de omo kire omo a omo ko so oba ni obi gina mantwe bi etumi bebo amane se nsa o girl no de nsa se be ma na onenam no de se ni eyi wasutie so obegia ni we jai tem.
And perfect, is it always the case? I was say a brainy na your man number 4 your relationship one. Some say there were problems and then morning Ghana yenya some issues. Any problems in kitchen a bass and one. It has said the panel I want to father and follow. A bit to me a mau and didn't ain't more relationship. Bako. A bit always I remember also. When you said Obana, even sometimes Oba worry, say Bema Fufobi who say or one kuna, a young yaso when I am going to pay. And
someone say no.
Exactly. In such situation, no. A yes, I tell you, I'm relationship, a man and fuel. No most waiting me a woman and say, and also, you can say, as a counselor.
Once now for no one na wode ho na woni madam fo bia se na esi ni su ne bantie into madam fo bia se okonya girl kwa mfa nkyere no obeje mejo girl obeje the first time out ohun se ni su ba ye nkwa de obeje into madam fo bo ohun se yesi bible class fo bi ho fam ho chi onua adam fo opa wo kan ko into se wadam fo nya so ye wadam fo no na nyo san nipa ni bi na meka there bi nipa opa won kan ko se bibi enkosu ya otumi afro tufu tumi tia na so se da bi minua na wo ye de enye sa nipa ni bi na otumi bo na so se oh oba mpesa me ni ntwa na moni o na enye adamfo bi ono no ni su ne ban no encha adamfo so afa na to ho so da bi enye sa adamfo ni
na shesha na asase emulu mpo no wadamfo na ono ne beto na mo na wo so hwa adamfo ko a ono ne ansa na wetimi de no ho abatani pasano na se hu behia se say o relationship ma o ma ebusua hu but ebrana kasa de gina mu bienu
so
enti brana wa hwa e appropriate and say you right say wo betumi ne nipa na wona na kire adamfo a kire busua na say de be bi o hobi ne ni kwan say mo ya ne na mo anhya se mpo na no ba ko wi asem so not perfect that say na mi yensa musa say a question we say e to so ni no me ne oba anante and say ya date say yeah caution because yeah mistakenly no every time they are mistaking
dating no name caution no
me say last week we boy so but person be say say embrace say and I say me coach your ba metimi akofie sa fere ya ready ya say wa yes man and with
because last week no yeah, can me change kakra. But near year say 6 months to 12 months. Yeah, advice is from 6 months to 12 months. Because 6 months ne dey. Once say wo obi a woni na password back home. Woni na enti mantem back home. Wonim no ankasa ebe o wonim no crown pants na mo be start akote nti say nipa ne de wo betimi the 6 months because wonim niam bebre fa ne ho na busu ofiri mu ni niam bebre na ankasa no wonim ko woni na nyini wonim eno 6 months no beba wo hu ni su bia na wonim no 6 months and o betimi ai na mo aware but obi so a wo nche de nim no saa no maybe o ko school mu nyina mo ko hye mo university different universities na aba no wo nyam bre so de be hu ni papro no nti 6 to 2 months 2 years no eno ne ye se wo pepre wo ho ekwa aware mu abra wa ntwen yehu fanso bo o shi obi a 2 months pe ne ye de ahyehye so and if you marry haste what do you make if you rush into marriage you rush back into one shade nim ni papro na to wase na nya wo hwehwe mu investigate the person ni papro ni background to get to know the person na do 2 years no so na chance you have known the person enough yes ni pa ho fono enti mini watna ko bi ho to mini pa kunta 4 years 6 years 12 years me to meet na 15 years say ye kote eno ni nya caution once say no na woni ni pa ko na tna no ho fono ni pa pro no enti enya me just o ye no ko anya bio once odo foforo no wa kuma start like who like if you have not seen the person now yes thank you it is it helps you and from 6 months to 12 years it helps you but which are let's say o na tini pa kun ni so and then pa kun no correspondi so be ho na wa ko ware obi foforo na wote ho
yango wait 3.1 FM so na me so kai wo say edisuam re and for so ben and I say we or ba be ma a nware ye afi na be kwa ware ma we ye I no ko ra ware ma di o how be bro and no na ye di hu nkomo no na we are starting last week we go bia so asa be ma de e wo so timi nya wo dan ya wo demu enye say bia wo twia baby na wo nya baby na akofo bi ba betena wo so e wo so timi nya ne wo bedi wo timi ahwe wo yire na so what nya sa ahwe another month no ba ko aka san se bia mbenya kokko wo ba wo so aka ho afa ye ka bedru so ba ba kwa ware me emotionally why you ready one dream no because our any kind worry and you ma be brain e wo mu afa physically wo sisi wo so san sa our really sabe enye se bia odi wa no e ko ka se bia say ana so no aduane esi ne manko a enu kwa nka ne aba ma ne aba betima ya ma
yeah
nti osa niema osa ori oba na se be paso bra wo nu be di no ugina wo nan so betimi aye ansa na wetimi akwaware en na ya twetwe nkomo abesi enne na ye ka se wo nyoba na na ebusuafo hu ma na fofo hu mu bi enya adamfo bi akeke ne mum adamfo a wonim se be de oyo adamfo papa onye mejo girlfo no ana mejo boyfo wetimi de natural no so de ni atofem ono so wetimi ahwe bi ama sam paso oba na why wadwen se wo ne betena abobra no eno etimi akọ kama ma na da chance bia ankoba amfa ohaw amba enti ye gusto a yetwetwe nkomo wo so betimi do adwen traba ana se o question bia obetimi opeso obisa ye counselor bra othei obedi be fa 0200 818881 0200818081 ye WhatsApp line emre so do anyone ye be phone line sama ho so afre na modern mo adwentre aba anti perfect na me bisa say ye courte minim se courtship no as Christian and as obi odi na me dibia no woni obai ma na nda and am on sex and sana ma worry mistake bi aba ma yakoye yanyem yengyina no so pepe ye ho ware ana yentwen na ye ho ye ho yie ansa na ya ware
mistake aba ade ne ese ma mo nso nhwe so want me mo aso ahwe asamoba and you for paying and aba ne sa no se we ye be ma no our advice is say we ye be ma no na oba na wo pese obe ware ne dia bibi ensi ho kwan you can go ahead and marry the person some amamre entia dia uni ekwianam o mo kote ekwiani suban ni na yade a wo pe wonya ne se wo yira a wo pe nanso no bibi hu na mre ye nti no honhom pe nanso nam na mre motimi akodi mpam agro e manyinsia ba you can continue to marry the person there's nothing wrong with that nanso no se ekwia ye nipa a wo mpe se obe ware no woni ne kote wo hu ni niama bi ni suban bi ne busua niama bi ewuwo mu nti no woni ne ware a enye ye nanso nyinse na akoba mu a enjina nyinse no so mfa ware ekwia because mostly no people make that mistake or the nyinse ni to the nyinse na hu ki be ma no na be ma na ware no de bia no mo ko de bia na ntoka ware na ndu 2 years 3 years and then ya sanso break it saying say but take responsibility of the pregnancy shoba no wo na sha kwala no and move on with your life enye nyinse ni tin e chese wugina so e de ware no there be as wrong e ma no so mo di nyinse ye de take me ma no mo de eye you no mo njai
e ho na kameba no sense o hu say bra kwesi the type of guy and kamepe or you slim or you tall or the color no you taste but me sure say you want to train one and sure na date and chat and go and I chop na me nwe and e me person e ma nyu tin da me I don't know I had me did say had read me cry my own camp but one kasa wa ya na aba na wo first one minimum be aba na sa fe ko wie chi na aseso no come because he didn't know the lady well but he said aba it was your say intimate because mami fancy hands and I mean so sa question we as a counselor na me so we Christian ni mama say be o fi Christian home na me ba ko fanyi say aba as a counselor oba no wa ko fanyi say aba ni oba and because I fi Christian home no e was say me people me ho e ma akra no war be ma na wona na ko say no Abraham kromo nyoma ni so be worry ana we are counseling give advice now they must such people because it's a big issue
won say adene say we are Christian no so wo prefer say and the akwala no ne e wo baba no akofa nyinsiamba no be ma ne nware no na che so person wo kata wo form so we are Christian ni kwa nyesa wo yesa because ni wo kata ne form so no Erade mpesa ni pakon David katane mfom so odwinso bi ehu na so erade Nathan beyi no aten ma ne hu se ne oye ni na wo hu ma David jitu mu ne ba no kra no e ba oni be hye ba wo ye no kra erade kun no ansana so Solomon eba nti se wo baba ne obi akonye mu a enforce be ma ne kete se chinchina che se ware me baba da bi momonti omo ho ase so pesa wo ware me baba na eye ware no ware akra ne so a ende e shoba no the lady is not your responsibility but our klana abemu there it's no fault of baby na mo dem akofa na ba wiase it's a once a first no we are Bible mu a mo no kire say so when oba bi koye bibi sa na ye nshaw na ware ni pakro no na yesusu beka say se wo hu oba kra na okondo no kra na one ne nyehwe kra na but you must always consider the interest of your child because who forces on power in mu be ma ne mpeno be ma pe okra na etisen na on san so mpe on ka ho it's a chance mo kasa se be ma ne pena on wire no ba on pe oba na enforce emfa nhye ne kon
because on ne nyi senti train on in was ya ne because abewie and say sa we pie na ko na fe echi end results no kan we ade hard nkra
and ade ba go mpesem kan say wuma akola no kra no nyi se owu
adisua bebre fimo say niema ketenketa ye mistakes as a single be a worry so your ba so ye be ma na du ko wra wari ma ekire no wanhwe ya na kofa nsem bebre aba yesu ade nti so betimi do agintra aba e wo your WhatsApp line so 0200 818881 0200 818881 na enu achi no yedi nkomo no wi a mbre no dru baby phone lines now so ne WhatsApp person yedi nkomo no woni yedi nkomo anti perfect question bi aba but answer na me ko sa question no so we pesa ni bisa wo we can question you no bi bom me date obi and I say me court obi na courtship ni mo no o adam for nti bo say me hu say madam for no o mama na dam for ne mama attention but also special attention bi mama and you see that because me more attention I feel like it's love. So I just leave my me dey na me ne ya papa no e ko dinia na dam for na o mama proper attention no so na fe that say odo bo mu na me na koye na asem aba eno ye one person me just propose it with another one ba ko no so ne say bia na me ne obi relationship mu me need on my attention that he doesn't normally call regularly on friend on testament. Should I go ahead and marry such a person? And see, yeah, the first one, the second one, no, not way I'm not.
One say first one, no courtship, nature some worry. Courtship, you can break up at any point. So if I'm courting him, I realize say you are not the type of guy I want. Or baby up attention. Or boss you on attention. And the name they mean or baby up attention.
Or remember jeans.
Or baby up attention. So new kunu and I said no be or don't no. Or when I see on say a new crab shine across say, ha, where your media? No. So if I'm not giving her attention, no when you'll be on there or man sa attention no. And you don't need attention there point. We can say attention in children or do any attention of say if I love you, I dey open which you kwhwehwe. Yes, say crama na chinko podompo, opodompo into your chin kwhwehwe. You are so attention goes with love. Into your bema no do be no say me do answer I can't show attention. You are lying. What boy? I dey odo be any ho.
But it's always the case. Obi o no man na juma the way it's here because sometimes you know you can't na boom. Obi o no man say the juma sit here no na bia o man no attention. Emma be a girlfriend and isn't always the case.
What's that? Second question I will be saying and only because second question is saying Pakono pay attention to you. Like ne juma ne niama bin to pay attention to you, but adia wo peno. Now what pay? Who you take time to call the person. It's what they tell me that I won't quite be our friend into yonder or by that friend on to me friend. Or WhatsApp, the person is always online. Next we will never chat you. Who can hire on fee? We are your free. That's what they acquire the money be end of for say, hey, find a bema ben or ninja one. It means the person you have once say or don't know it's a two-way traffic and sabo we kwane we aba. Now one way say me kwana me tira dono, me kwana me fra fono into say bema no enfro. The man is not paying attention to you or no he doesn't check up on you. A whole week crown no friend in beside you must rethink the person does not love you. If the person loves you and ya rabin and pakoni yari on timin kasa or yari krampa or befra say hey sweetie me yari o hifa na wo me nipa kone friend ya you must recheck courtship no enya ware. So you can once say when I'm courting you na me say na down way am court na down way mboma on me or bembe no we mbom ni suman yo or you Christiani or hard working say no si fa ni me sleep man say bisa me ma me ho te say obi okwa ni siblings won bisa o ma me ho te say Mother's Day come from ma me ono mfie we busuani onimo bia so we the essence some bisa me obeti me ja ba kuna kofa we courtship nya ware enti ni obeboa no na wofa say the pa ko ne mo wa je say wutwa so ntem na okopa ni obeboa
me da say you wait na for one after highest she question bi obi ebisa na me pese me dey tell na me bisa me questions we answer na waka na waso gusu a so also beti me do question about question na me hu ha na emu ye mi do also beti me do question about 0200 81881 na yes you be sama say counselor bia we dey favor na yeni ho nkomo na me question we say no asem bebre we say microphone bebre ho no ma especially a mema no both sides a mema ni man na yakope oba ne level no sabi e wo high meaning so obi anche obi but ye hwehwe mu a wohwe mu a oba we dey be a school crowd wa attain no me most of the time those things no meaning say I raise a insecurity back in a relationship in a marriage enti level na oba ne wo no sabi o so kaka chero when in school me juma o ye but your oba me peno as a counselor will you advise me to go in for such a person Say me amen ko fa oba hot sa. Ebia.
Ne level na say or high class be no ye ne ho no. We ya bema de since your man sa waham. So betimi a echesa okọ. Until there's nothing like class where there was wrong. It depends once any age now so. So we are bema no na obetimi I can still go for it because here minim awarephobia oba ne weni mu pa bema ne nheda nko school bia magazine fite ya na so ma ware awo ma ye nti agina wo bema ne so na wo ba no so no so wo pe bema ne na wo pene so so be ware sa bema ne dia enye se wo di sa wodwuma no e de ha bema no wodwuma nko wo be fie so yes you must be able to separate the two. So the need na bom dia e be ha wo kunu.
Thank you. Maybe my phone line is 0200 81 80 82 0200 81 80 83 your phone lines are also wait me afre now do questions abem. What be the question biaba? Or say question number 1 e di kan buy. Or say so oba ya kase say ye court na ye ne be ma no enda. Na me ko ware be ma no na sese bebe ma ne hu ni ho a meye ni den na sa na be answer me no obi aba homa no so. Hello,
good morning.
We were so good afternoon. You're quite 9.1 edition so. Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. But so we need baby our cassette free. If I show you baby our cassette free. Okay. Okay.
I am the man with Ramon time, like Obama. And next day of the war, and there was almost William Puyi. I see them will be low because we are sometimes it means I deal without it.
Yeah.
For this means maybe a week, 2 days, no, in one pro, not no, not. Now, any sort of pro that why is it for me? Or office, I know it's the best man pro. Like WhatsApp video call. Not so when you put it. Oh, now when you hear them for lunch, and I do a call that of it. No lunch to be doing yeah. Like yes, Dana, most of them they are not here. They are not romantic. Red light and I say red flag they were out to
free yeah, that's a part tonight. I say also free media so. Also, wait to me and join is 281 8082 and 0281 8083. If I show 2 lines in here, Juma, 80, oh, Freya, I'm quite busy after the other one because we will say, Bakona, I have first, anti perfect. Or question at the panel beside. Yes, my enemy man in down, a minute of worry, I say.
Once I know there's so many ways to kill a cat. Yeah, well, when you're baby, I will be who said, Bema. Winning ho. Let's say I make so courtship no your time we hwehwemu say nipa kron no obetimi ahu kanipa metimi ni atena nti sa na manama no obetimi ahu once akọ counseling kra na ye mamu ko fertility test mo ba no ye fertility test be man say fertility test because our no ye before there our for companionship but one thing say procreation so say ye be wo na ya se adore so kan our ho nti no
procreation so kan
our ho
over from how our car by wait never know. Maybe I showed you baby or cassette free. Maybe I showed what in Genesis. Maybe I should say.
Now, apparently, and they cannot maybe yes,
maybe so I did be away apart from so about one channel in Wolfuno. I watch the much of only Mother Cudiano, and you may be away, and any I was so a pet. I would give this only let's about Brabe.
Oh, they do
Oh, say, and yet, it didn't come out like a sound when I require him. And then my brave was a castle being will be a compatible. I may have an ameno, then need your home. And say, you may be a medicine some crowd, or I do know what they boil my epiga, or not to dear, also bayano, and also boil my epiga. And I can't say nipa me do more compatible, me boy. Hey, and I'm more young man in I'm an effect. Inside some won't come up, moving common, moving won't come on, I feel one money to mo near na mo ye no e kekambo metisi ani a that is some worry am brabo ba ye fe aside me bu na efu no
oh aside me bu na efu don't break me no so you know that na open na that
me that's it me pass on ye be you and that's pass on friend anti perfect na wonu gusu ana wo ma me say e was say procreation na say worry e was say ye wo
inti e just say ye wo inti you can counselor be or baby saw some test that is the blood group sickling fertility test no ba wo your ba na so we hu say be ma no enye say we ni be ma be kompam kwa na be hu say ne ho ana say ne hu ni ho empam de na be hu say ogina so po betimi akọ 2 3 4 rounds na di anu na be ma wo hu na so tumi so original ho no anopa tutu won say me ma de anopa bia e omomo ho machi ade ni so original ho inta anopa na che say okwasra na wo hwe say ade na tumi aso e say okwa na hu show you want to see it's okwa ye wani e bo na wa sha tare kama wo ka say mo sound hu twetwe no ade ntumi nya hwe be ma so de won say ade na kondo de e ya tumi e bia na achi into say who steady then you pay bibia ye nya hwe nya bia say eno na no mus e cheso something ni din komo you have to talk about sex and na ye before no na so no say ye can I say ye very be say nipa no kwa eno oba be ware oni ne ma me ntimi nye oni ni nua ba ntimi nye sa de no oba ni say so penny saying say na wo to fa pen no e me dem call one na ye ma me two obi oye novice no then you learn you start into Uba can say our lover's guide mo we ye new no we introduce you to
perfect but my info for the original searching me want how I about buy this year we occupy na everyone good afternoon but you didn't baby o kase fe Auntie Sabina I didn't try to say in China no apamo no can send bia wo mpe no eye dia wo pe se wo de kwa aware mu ana se nya ne wo pe oh I mean me that's ye be you when one me that's pass Auntie Sabina friend so Auntie perfect ye be no e ko ni mi e pa ma bi bisa sa question we na ye fanto aso or say so your bema na say o pair when you job baby ho like okay like woman caring we share can ya be ba on kan just up now you ba obetini akwa ni makoka che be man say wo pen na nsa na be ya no ma men fa ofrefue me wa ha wa kwa baba edisia e ko point na ko do na fa
me you do man
ta cho di ni be be o ka se free
I shall be first and you can
me pa cho first time why didn't you say
Madam, when you back up, the problem with the dinner, the devil will be a cat. And then, yeah, Luciano, your papa, who are Lucian Forma. You also more kind, you also moving, or Maka Martin Lady. But here, we now more master for Amania Kenya having. Now, as soon as you being the member of the master in Farmer,
well, first that yeah, that's a power. So yeah, so you can't deny. Okay, yeah, that is all for everyone. Hello, good afternoon. I'll call about this year or your compassion. Tante Soka, Medoso. Medase, baby man. Baby mommy. Martin. Yeah, that's it. I just so. Okay. Oh. Oh, fine. That's all car. It's Saturday. Don't worry. Me the money you be able to do. Why? Now why didn't try to say?
Every me and change them at their past. But in more yet, if you want to go, just around the window, and not yet, I don't find them so much that after you all come out, what that I will watch it come for 5 years, is your home, and they are so more Bema, the more that they obey here, the minute popular. The
Hello, good afternoon. But you didn't even be Auntie Bato, what do you say?
My problem I come
Maybe I saw it here.
But the problem is none will effort Serena me driving and Luciano or your daughter warrant. But aircon recently, my father is saying some good school. And the school me one of my so me some good things me cover. The me in the chance now. The film only or that profession.
Oh,
Me friend of the phone. Up to now, me call one. No, not me. So only this young lady. Me friend of each of the home me call or Zoom phone. And to me person me discuss
Kasam Kwechi, Ebe Iwan, Medase so friend. Ebusu aye ntimi fa ko bie bie mesho mo fa nchaye na ya bre na nya ayebre na emom no wa fra me asama ewuti a wa kan issue nyina anti perfect or ye proper counselor ntimi sure number we na friend obetimi a WhatsApp no na mo twetwe komo afi ho no problem bia e ko relationship no our wie mo no wona ne din komo na on share 0243 28 37 84 0243 28 37 84 and the problem be out there friend na one ne twetwe komo na obeyi wa no anti perfect obeti aka me tofa amayen aboa no relationship mu nsambebe aka bedui sign na wo kan bi sa question bi ansa na yako me your ba be me bi extra me odo like okay for me I said bibi ha bibi ha no woni me dwi me hu ni so pema sem but on kan chem so odo me oba no metimi akọ ani ho akọka chen se be ma send na wo ye me do we if you Josie hono o teshi and o the brain oba no metimi akọ hono akọka chen se be ma me pem say no see care for me ni I love you, can I do that?
It's not when so we your brony dia na woni pa no so your brony dia and kan de obetimi aka say I love you aye bibi me mu dia it's not the best so be kwa catch be ma pain say me pel na be ware me it's not the best into say by your one year bebre obetimi aye ma be ma na hu say open no wo your ba ko ne